Welcome to Trace-A-Matic. We are a world-class precision machine shop serving the aerospace, defense, heavy equipment, medical device, oil and gas, power generation, transportation, and food processing industries in the U.S. and worldwide. Precision machining starts with engineering. Trace-A-Matic's highly skilled engineers and technicians are ready to guide you through your most challenging projects. They are experts at designing for manufacturability and developing turnkey solutions for prototype and production parts. A huge advantage to working with Trace-A-Matic is our massive machining capacity. We manage over 300,000 square feet of climate-controlled manufacturing. With more than 140 precision turning and machining centers, we possess an arsenal of CNC lathes producing high-quality prototypes and high-volume production runs. A wide selection of CNC milling centers allows for the precise tailoring of machining operations specifically to your part. Trace-A-Matic conquers complex part manufacturing with state-of-the-art 5-axis machining. The 5-axis platform cuts part geometry and complicated shapes unachievable by other methods. Seamless integration of special processes from industry-leading partners is another significant advantage to working with us. In-process and final inspection services ensure the highest part accuracy. We use fully automated CMMs to measure and verify critical external and internal dimensions and part geometry. Our facilities are climate-controlled at 70 degrees to ensure a stable testing and manufacturing environment. Trace-A-Matic's quality system is the foundation upon which we operate. Our accreditations include ISO 9001:2015 with an AS9100 aerospace certification and American Petroleum Institute specification Q1 certification. Rely on us for your supply chain management, from raw material sourcing to inventory management, ensuring product flows with on-time delivery domestically or through exportation. We have you covered. Trace-A-Matic started in 1968 to provide high-quality precision machining while conducting business with the utmost integrity. These same principles live true to this day. All of us thank you for visiting and ask that you contact Trace-A-Matic to discuss your next CNC machining or fabrication project.